Today I have two easy Christmas recipes for you. They're definitely crowd pleasers and they're not hard to make. One is a Christmas breakfast casserole that you can make ahead, and the other one is a slow cooker cranberry apple cider. I did get these off of Pinterest and I will link those posts below. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to take a bread of your choice, a sourdough or a French bread. I'm using a French bread, and you're going to cut it into 1-inch pieces. So you're going to take your pieces of bread and you're going to put them in a casserole dish that has been sprayed, and you're going to fill that in. You could use an 8x8. I'm using a dish that's smaller than a 9x13. You would want to double this recipe if you were making it for a crowd. So you're going to add some freshly washed blueberries or some frozen blueberries, whatever your choice would be in this case. And then I'm just going to spread them out a little bit so that they're evenly spread throughout the casserole. In a separate bowl, I have 6 eggs and I am adding a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/3 of a cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 a cup of sweetened coconut flakes, and then you're going to reserve some to sprinkle on top later. I'm now adding 1 can of light coconut milk, and I'm going to pour that in and I'm going to mix all of this together. And then after I get it all mixed together, I'm going to pour it on top of my bread and blueberries, and we're going to fill in the dish, and I will be putting the lid on it and I will be sticking it in the refrigerator. It needs to go in there for about 2 to 8 hours. I've also added some more coconut to the top. After it's set, it goes into the oven for 50 minutes at 350. This blueberry coconut casserole, which is like a French toast casserole, is just so good. My family just really loves it, and I think that you will love it too. And if you have a crowd coming, they will love it. So today I am going to be making a festive drink. I'm going to be making slow cooker cranberry apple cider. So we're going to start, we're going to put 1 liter of apple juice in that's unsweetened. So that's about 4 and a little less than 1/4 cups. So I'm going to start with that. I'm putting in the apple juice that's unsweetened, and I have to add some more in. I'm going to do that right now. Now we're adding 2 cups of unsweetened orange juice. That's going in, just like that. So now we're going to put in 1 liter of unsweetened cranberry juice, and we're going to put in 1 liter, so that is going to be 4 cups and a little under 1/4 cup. I'm going to finish doing that. I'm now adding about 1/4 of a cup of sugar. You can add any sweetener you want. You can use honey or artificial sweetener, whatever you choose. I'm now adding 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. And I'm now adding 3 cinnamon sticks. I have just added some orange slices and some cranberries on top that I washed, and just to add a little festive color to it and a little more flavor. Okay, we're just going to let this slow cook for a few hours. Oh my goodness, this is just smelling amazing. I can't wait to try it. This drink is a great pick for the Christmas season. My family absolutely loved it. I hope you've enjoyed both of these recipes. I hope they will help you out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you.